Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Citi for fraud alerts and notifications. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Citi's official website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign On button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign On button. Enter your user ID and password. Click the Sign On button again to access your account. After logging in, look for the Account Services option in the menu. Select Account Services to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, find and click on Alerts. This will take you to the Alert Setup page. Here, you will see various types of alerts you can manage. Locate the section for Fraud Alerts. Click on Fraud Alerts to customize your preferences. Choose the types of fraud alerts you would like to receive. Options may include alert types for transactions, changes in personal information, or new account activity. Select your preferred communication method for these alerts, such as email or text message. Provide the necessary contact information as prompted. Review your selections to ensure they reflect your preferences. Once satisfied, click on the Submit button to confirm your alert settings. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that your fraud alerts are registered. If you wish to modify your settings in the future, you can return to the Alert Setup page anytime. Logging into your account will always allow you to adjust your alert preferences as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.